What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So just take a look at Ethereum here, and as we can see, it does look as though that ABC correction that a lot of people have been calling for has essentially played out for a lot of these larger cryptos. We've obviously got Bitcoin, Ethereum, also VeChain, Polygon, Chainlink, and a lot of other bigger cryptos with larger market caps have seen this ABC correction looking something like this. Obviously, we've had a very bearish September in general with a lot of sideways chop. And you know, Septembers are generally considered to be a bearish month, combined with the fact we've had that Black Swan-ish event of the Evergrande news in China, basically dragging the whole world's markets down. That has led to this correction for the crypto market as well. You can see we've come down and we've found support, haven't we? And guess where we found support? At that previous range high resistance flipped into support, looking something like this. This was our previous range that we talked about non-stop for so long, and you can see it's come back and been relevant again. We obviously retested it somewhat here initially, but we never fully swept those lows again and really retested this area as support. You can see this was the resistance here, flipped into support. You can see we flipped it here somewhat, but we never really fully retested this because we were just riding the EMAs to the upside, weren't we? We come up to around $4,000. And then obviously we had the El Salvador correction. We come down to our 55, back to this area here. There was a swing high area, I believe. This is obviously our Fibonacci overall Fibonacci levels for the bull run, sorry. You can see we come down to that Fibonacci level. We get support there with the 55. We have that A, we have that B wave where we try and come back to the upside, but we do roll over. And you can see here, we come down, we're looking for support. We lose that overall 127 extension of the overall bull run Fibonacci level for Ethereum, but we come down, we roll over, we find support at that around, what is this, the low of this, at around $2,800-ish dollars. Basically, we wick down into this area here of this order block, basically, of that previous level of resistance flipped into support. And you can see we hold it as support really nice, don't we? If we look at the hourly time frame, you can see here we've drawn this range in. We actually perfectly on the hourly time frame wick back above this area. We fall back inside the range. Everyone's saying, oh my god, we're going to the downside, but there's huge bullish divergences on our indicators here. You can see our RSI clearly showing a bullish divergence. If I can actually draw this in correctly, I really hate how these RSIs are shown sometimes. You can see here, you can't draw on them properly, you know. So you've got our bullish divergences here. Excuse me. We've got our bullish divergences here. You can see price action coming down, RSI coming up like this, histogram coming up as well. Bullish divergences all over the place. We come down into the range. Everyone's going, oh no, we're falling back inside that macro range. But then we get the bounce. We come back up. We're making high lows and high highs. Looks as though we are getting a bit of a reversal off the bottom here. And you know, this, in our opinion, this could be the end of the correction, considering that, you know, it's an ABC correction. We've fully come down, hit support, got the bounce, and you know, now that we're coming towards the end of September, we would expect Rocktober to be coming on, and in our opinion, we are going to be seeing some very nice price targets for Ethereum very soon if that's the case. I mean, if we just draw a little fib from this high to this low here, you can see some of these short-term price targets are looking very decent indeed. And if we pull our fib from this high to this low of our correction over the past few months as well, you can see some of the levels that are being respected right now. We come almost down to the 050 and get the bounce. We're currently chopping it up in and around the 618. I mean, you can see these levels for yourself. We come down onto the 618 for support. The 078 is resistance. We come down, we lose the 618, so we come down almost to the 50. And you can see now that we've had this ABC correction, we're probably expecting the pickup to happen for Ethereum. So short-term price predictions then. If we do roll over, we would expect this area at around $2,900 to hold. Obviously $3,000 being a psychological support as well. And then if we do start to march to the upside, we want to reclaim the 55 and the 20 moving averages at around 3,000. What is this? 3,200 and 3,350 respectively. Coming up to around that 7.8 as well at 3,600, and then obviously this this recent high of around $4,000. These are our targets for the short term, getting back into these levels. And then if we do start to break out from there, we've obviously got our long-term price predictions for Ethereum by the end of the bull run. And we do really think that 10 to 15K, maybe 20K for Ethereum, very likely considering how good this project is. We strongly believe in it. Everyone knows how good Ethereum is. It's pretty much future-proofed at this point. Probably going to see some very nice price targets for it in the future. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.